Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ignite the Flame. This video is on a leisure staycation at one of the spectacular properties at Panchgani, which is a beautiful hill station located in Maharashtra. It's approximately 4.5 hours journey from Mumbai to Panchgani. The drive itself is amazing with scenic views and fog-cladded mountains. If you are planning for a staycation at Mahabaleshwar or Panchgani, then let me show you one of the best properties in Panchgani. Welcome to Bhatia Villas. You can spend leisure time here with your friends and family at an affordable rate, and yes, it's pet friendly too. This villa has ample indoor parking space for the guests, and few villas also have a separate parking next to the villa for the convenience of senior citizens. The entire property has 5 spacious villas, 1 restaurant, kids play area, mini lawn, and the mesmerizing valley view, which makes it a perfect destination for staycation. So let me take you to one of the villas. Each villa can accommodate up to 10 people, so you can come here with your family and extended families. It has a spacious living room with kitchen attached to it. This is one of the bedroom on the ground floor. Let's check what's at the upper deck. A living area with 2 bedrooms, this bedroom has a spacious balcony next to it with a beautiful view of the mini lawn and valley, which is like a cherry on the cake. For all the foodies, let me take you to the in-house restaurant where guests can order food on a la carte basis and have freshly made delicious food at Bhatia restaurant. This place can also be used as conference halls to organize corporate events, birthday parties, family get-togethers, reunion, and engagement or wedding ceremonies. They have also built a Sai Baba temple within the property for all the devotees to seek his blessings. Let's now have some fun. This is the play area for kids where they can let loose and enjoy to the fullest. And the mini lawn for guests to play badminton, cricket, volleyball, or just relax and unwind looking at the amazing valley. Bhatia Villa provides free Wi-Fi to its guests, so you can work hassle-free at this villa while enjoying the beautiful valley view. Also, it's just a 5 minutes drive away from Panchgani market, bus and taxi stand, beautiful Parsi Point and Sydney Point at Panchgani, Mahabaleshwar. The owner of Bhatia Vilas has his majestic bungalow inside this property. Guests need not worry about anything and can just enjoy their stay at Bhatia Vilas. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel Ignite the Flame to get discounts on your stay at Bhatia Vilas and to view content on leisure stays in India. If you would like to book your stay at Bhatia Vilas, then do call or WhatsApp 80970 34974. Take care, stay safe and stay ignited.